Oh, I thought, what the hell, I may as well film this too. So that's Castel Sant'Angelo coming up. Might be able to see a little bit of St. Peter's Basilica. There's always It's always a show here in Rome, in Italy in general, but Rome. There's always some sort of a show. I wasn't actually going to film this, but I thought, what the hell. So yesterday was an interesting day, and the day before I saw, it's just these funny incidents that you see. So I went to, I believe it was, oh yes, it was Saint Sebastian outside the walls. I went there, and that was the last of the 7 pilgrimage churches for me to go to. And on the way back, I was on the bus. Excuse me. I was on the bus and some guy got on. He didn't have a ticket. Yeah, he didn't have a ticket or anything. He just wanted a free ride. And the female bus driver and him, they just got into this big ass argument. And all the people in the bus were kind of like looking and commenting, and the guy just plopped his fat lazy ass down. He didn't care. He didn't want to pay anything. Maybe he had no money. I don't know. Maybe he's just like a freaking freeloader, whatever. Well, I'm sure he is a freeloader if he's trying to get on the bus for free. But yeah, that was an interesting sight. And then, oh, here we go. Yeah, and then yesterday, on the way back to my hotel, I saw some commotion at one of the shops right by my hotel. I thought, what the hell's going on here? Well, it was some bum. Yeah, it was some bum that was sleeping in the doorway of a shop. He was blocking the entrance, and the shopkeeper was just starting to open up his shop, so that bum had to move. And the shopkeeper, he was this African guy, and the bum was a local Italian guy, and they got into some big ass argument and whatever. I thought, hell, this is some funny stuff. There's always some argument. There's always something going on. There's always something going on. Something to see. There's always everything here is so theatrical but real. It's like watching a play unfold live, and the emotions are definitely up there. Ooh, so I'm in the sun right now and it's hot. I'm trying to keep this steady. I'm just opening up my anti-theft bag that somebody was able to pickpocket a couple days ago. Oh, it's hot. This is direct sunlight. It is hot. Yeah, I got to find a place for lunch. Just a light lunch, and definitely some stuff to drink.
This way?
Might as well.
Yeah, so up in the distance, up in the distance this way. I don't know how well that'll show, but up there is Giancolo. I think is it Giancolo? I believe it is. And the monument to Giuseppe Garibaldi and all that. Really nice park up there. I went there the first time I was here. I know this part of this, once I start filming using my Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV, I have it on stability mode. But unfortunately, it doesn't have the same stability as my GoPro Hero 9 Black. I'm trying to keep it still, but I'm just holding this by hand. I don't have a handheld mount or anything like that. I mean, I do, but it's back at the hotel. I got to get into the shade. It's so damn hot. Whoa. Way too damn hot. There's a pilgrimage line up here. Yeah, for the Holy Door. I was here already. That was the day that I was pickpocketed. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. Grab something to eat, grab something to drink. Thank you for sharing in my experience. If you enjoyed my video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would truly appreciate you sharing my video on your social network as it helps my channel grow. Be sure to check my playlist to see different categories on my exciting adventures I'm sharing with the world. Life is an adventure. Let's share this experience together.